day one. Ratahi.
Tahira. Tina. Pray. Or Modi listen. Bye.
Doesn't pass the gods. Just like she already owned it. I said, can you give it back to me? She said, never in your wildest dreams. And we
gotta find it. We're basically just having the meantime today. It's day one. Matariki.
Kia ora everyone. This is Te Kaha o Te Rangatahi. This is our first day of our Matariki celebration week, and right now we're just at the Memorial Park in Homai and Manurewa, and we're with the Desire kids. What they're doing now is they're playing Kia Orahi. Kia Orahi is a Māori game. Yeah. Cheers, stay tuned, whānau.
dirty mouth. I got a dirty mouth. But she kissed me like she meant it. I said,
Pretty sick, eh, bruh?
she said, never in your wildest dreams.
Defense is going really well out there on the field of Kia Orahi. It's going really good. The defensive team has really dug their toes into the ground and putting their D on. It's me.
You know, I know, you know, I remember you, and I know, you know, I hope you remember how we.
I'd just like to thank all the helpers that help us come here to represent New Zealand over in the States for the Kahaka. Me, Māori me.
Ka pai ki te kai apple pie.
Kia ora!